Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your preferred language in Ubisoft. I'm going to show you this in Ubisoft Connect. Now, Ubisoft Connect is the Ubisoft launcher for Ubisoft where you can play games from out. Now, it's very easy. Simply download Ubisoft Connect if you do not already have it. And from there, go to the top left corner where your profile avatar appears. Head down to the settings, and inside these settings we have a whole bunch of settings to choose from. We're going to the interface chat settings. And here we have the interface language, and as you can see, mine is set to English, but I could change it to a whole bunch of languages. Now, whenever I change it, I will need to restart Ubisoft Connect before the language changes take effect. Simply press restart, and as you can see, my Ubisoft Connect just restarts. Now, it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.